the best apple pie that melts in your mouth. Let's get started on what might just become your new favorite dessert. First, I'm cracking 3 eggs into a bowl and adding 1 cup of sugar. Give it a good mix until everything comes together, nice and smooth. This is where it all starts to come to life. Now I'm pouring in ½ cup of melted butter and ½ cup of milk. Mix again until everything is fully combined. You'll notice the texture getting richer and creamier. Next, I'm sifting in 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. This step really helps keep the batter light and smooth, no lumps. Keep mixing until you get that silky consistency. It should look soft even and easy to work with. Now I'm adding ½ teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Totally optional, but it adds such a warm, cozy flavor. Recipes like this are simple, but that's what makes them so good. Nothing complicated, just real ingredients coming together. Now for the star of the show, the apples. Grab 2 fresh apples and slice them into small pieces. I personally like to leave the skin on for extra texture and flavor. Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite apple dessert? Back to the bowl. I'm adding the apples in and gently folding everything together. At this point, it already smells amazing. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder to bring everything together. Give it one last mix. You don't need to overdo it, just enough to combine. Now let's pour this into a greased and floured pan. Spread it out evenly, nice and simple. All right, into the oven it goes, 350 degrees for about 50 minutes. While it bakes, your kitchen is going to smell incredible. Once it's golden and set, take it out and let it cool slightly. Now for the finishing touch, a light dusting of powdered sugar on top. It gives a little extra sweetness and makes it look beautiful. Every bite is soft, warm, and full of apple flavor. And if you like, you can sprinkle a little more cinnamon on top before serving. That little touch makes a big difference. And that's it, a simple, melt-in-your-mouth apple dessert. Serve it warm, share it with someone you love, and enjoy every bite.